Hello everyone, a very fresh good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? So students, today we are going to start the revision of the chapter number 6, the green plants. Okay, so we'll start with the important notes. So students, first of all, the green plants. So you have found the plants all over the earth, right? You can find plants all over the earth. Now most of the plants are green in color. Most of the plants are green in color. So let's see why. Leaves appears green to us due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll. Leaves appears green due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll. Students, plants की जो leaves होती है, right? Most of the plants leaves appears green to us. Why? Because there is a presence of substance. It is called chlorophyll. जो क्लोरोफिल नाम का जो सब्सटेंस होता है वो लीव्स में होता है. इसी वजह से मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स के लीव्स जो है वो हमें ग्रीन कलर के दिखते हैं. नाउ यू मस्ट हैव सीन दी प्लांट्स इन द डिफरेंट कलर, राइट? आपने कई बार कितने प्लांट्स देखे होंगे जिनके लीव्स ग्रीन नहीं है, कोई डिफरेंट कलर के हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज उन प्लांट्स के लीव्स में क्लोरोफिल सब्सटेंस नहीं है. जिन प्लांट्स के लीव्स में क्लोरोफिल सब्सटेंस होता है तो वो प्लांट के लीव्स हमें ग्रीन कलर के दिखते हैं, और जो प्लांट्स के लीव्स में क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता है तो वो हमें कोई डिफरेंट कलर में दिखते हैं. लीव्स अपीयर ग्रीन टू अस ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रीन सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड क्लोरोफिल. द सेकेंड वन इज a leaf has a flat part called the leaf blade. A leaf has a flat part called the leaf blade. Now, a leaf has three main parts. A leaf has three main parts, and they are main vein, side veins, and leaf blade. Main vein, side veins, and leaf blade. Now, the leaf has the flat part, right, between the side veins, right? Side veins जो होते हैं उसके बीच का जो flat part होता है, that part is called leaf blade. Then after, the underside of a leaf contains millions of tiny openings. These tiny openings are called stomata. The underside of a leaf contains millions of tiny openings. See students, the underside of a leaf, जो ये flat part होता है उसके underside में जो अंडरसाइड होता है लीफ में उसमें मिलियंस ऑफ टाइनी ओपनिंग्स होते हैं. ये जो टाइनी ओपनिंग्स है उसे हम कहते हैं स्टोमेटा. द अंडरसाइड ऑफ अ लीफ कंटेन्स मिलियंस ऑफ टाइनी ओपनिंग्स. दिस टाइनी ओपनिंग्स आर कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच लीव्स आर uses sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. The process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. Now students, we all know that plants make their own food. Plants make their own food, right? Now in the plant, the leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Why? Because leaves are the one that make the plant for the food. So leaves uses sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food. This is called the photosynthesis process. Now sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, these three are the raw material. These three are the raw material जिसका use करके leaves जो है they make their food. Okay. Now sunlight, water and carbon dioxide are needed by the leaves to make their food. Now this whole process is called photosynthesis. The process by which leaves are used sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. In short, the photosynthesis is that to making the food process, right? The making the food process by leaves is called the photosynthesis process. Then the food prepared by process of photosynthesis is called glucose. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. तो जो फूड फोटोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू बनता है, प्रिपेयर होता है, जो फूड फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस के थ्रू प्रिपेयर होता है उस फूड को हम कहते हैं ग्लूकोज. लीव्स जो है, लीव्स यूज सनलाइट, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एज अ रॉ मटेरियल टू मेक देयर ओन फूड. This process is called photosynthesis. Now the food which is prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. Then a leaf has a leaf blade, a main vein and side veins. A leaf has three parts: leaf blade, a main vein and side veins. Green plants use light, water and carbon dioxide present in the air to make their own food. Yes, green plants uses what? So green plant uses light, water and carbon dioxide as a raw material. Green plants use light, water and carbon dioxide as raw materials present in the air to make their own food. एयर में जो लाइट और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है एयर में, उनको वो यूज़ करते हैं एंड वाटर को यूज़ करते हैं टू मेक देयर ओन फूड. देन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट. Plants and animals are interdependent. How? See, animals are dependent on plants, which is very simple, right? That plants gives us food. तो कुछ animals होते हैं, they are herbivore animals who eats the grass or the leaves of the plants, fruits, vegetables, etc. Right? So the herbivore animals are depends on the plants for their food. Then also there is a second thing, that animals depends on plant. So animals are depend on plant for the oxygen also, because oxygen is the gas that very essential for the animal's life or the living being life. Without oxygen, animals or any living being cannot survive. So animals are depends on plants for the food and the oxygen. So in return, plants also depends on the animals. Why? So plants depends on the animals because of the carbon dioxide. Plants get the carbon dioxide from the animals. जैसे animals जो है वो ऑक्सीजन को ब्रीथ इन करते हैं और ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब प्लांट को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? टू मेक देयर फूड. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा, लाइट, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज़ करके प्लांट्स जो है वो अपना फूड खुद बनाते हैं. अब प्लांट्स को ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहाँ से मिलेगा? सो फ्रॉम दी एनिमल्स. So plants depends on the animals for the carbon dioxide, and in return animals also depends on the plants for the oxygen. Plants ऑक्सीजन निकालता है बाहर जो एनिमल के लिए वो ब्रीथ इन करता है, जो उनके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. रिटर्न में एनिमल्स जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकालते हैं जो प्लांट्स के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉर मेकिंग देयर फूड. दैट इज़ हाउ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स दे बोथ आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट. ओके, इंटरडिपेंडेंट मीन्स वो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट है फॉर द ऑक्सीजन एंड फॉर द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नाउ टर्न द पेज स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइजेस ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. मैच द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, ग्लूकोज, photosynthesis, leaf blade and starch. In the other hand, there are stored food, flat part of leaf, prepared food, process of preparing food. So first of all, glucose. So glucose is what? So glucose is a prepared food. So match them glucose with the prepared food, because whatever the food prepared by the process of photosynthesis, that food is called glucose. प्लांट जो भी फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस के थ्रू, राइट, प्लांट्स जो भी फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं वो प्रिपेयर्ड फूड को हम कहते हैं ग्लूकोज. सो मैच द ग्लूकोज विद द प्रिपेयर्ड फूड. नाउ द सेकंड वन इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस? द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फूड. फोटोसिंथेसिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फूड. जैसे कि प्लांट्स जो है वो अपना फूड खुद बनाते हैं, तो प्लांट्स की जो लीव्स है जो वो पूरी प्रोसेस करते हैं, यूज द सनलाइट, वाटर एंड carbon dioxide to make their food. So this whole process, the whole process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. So match the photosynthesis with the process of preparing food. Then the third one is leaf blade. So leaf blade is what? Leaf blade is what? Leaf blade is the flat part of leaf. Leaf blade is the flat part of leaf. There are three parts of leaf: main vein, side veins and leaf blade. तो जो flat part होता है, the flat part between the side veins, they are called leaf blade. So match the leaf blade with the flat part of food. and the last one is starch. So match the starch with the stored food, right? तो जो भी extra food होता है, plants make their own food. Now in that food whatever the extra food, right? कोई भी जो फूड बनाते हैं उसमें जो एक्स्ट्रा फूड जो बचता है, दैट एक्स्ट्रा फूड स्टोर्ड एज स्टार्च. एक्स्ट्रा फूड जो होता है वो स्टार्च के फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है. सो ग्लूकोज इज द प्रिपेयर्ड फूड. Photosynthesis is process of preparing food. Leaf blade is a flat part of leaf, and the starch is the stored food. Okay, so match all of this. Now the question number 2, choose the correct option. Question number 1, which of these help to transport substance within the leaf? Which of these help to transport substance within the leaf? And your options are A veins, B stomata, C leaf blade and D chlorophyll. तो इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा सब्सटेंस है विच ऑफ दिस हेल्प टू ट्रांसपोर्ट सब्सटेंस? इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो सब्सटेंस को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में विद इन द लीफ, राइट, लीफ में सब्सटेंस को ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में हेल्प करता है? वेन्स, स्टोमेटा, लीफ ब्लेड और क्लोरोफिल. So it is veins. Veins is the one to help to transport the substance within the leaf. Now the question number 2. Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? Which of these will not be needed by leaves for making food? And your options are A carbon dioxide, B water, C sunlight and D none of this. So the answer is D none of this, right? Because carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, all of these three are needed by the leaves for making food. So the D none of this option is incorrect, right? So take the option D none of this. Third question, which of these are the main producers of food? Which of these are the main producers of food? A sun, B animals, C green plants and D none of this. इनमें से फूड का मेन प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? सो इट इज C green plants. Green plants are the main producers of food. Now okay students, turn the page. Now the question number 3. Give one word for the following. First question, the flat surface of a leaf is called dash. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade. Second one, tiny openings underside of a leaf. The tiny openings underside of a leaf is called stomata. Tiny openings underside of leaf is called stomata. Third one, the food prepared by the process of photosynthesis. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. तो जो food prepare होता है by the following the process of photosynthesis, that food is called glucose. Now the question number 4. Answer the following questions. In that, the question number 1, how plants use and store the food? How plants use and store the food? Answer is, plants use some of this food for its daily activities and store the extra food as starch in the different parts. So how plants use and store the food? तो plants जो है वो अपना फूड कैसे यूज़ करते हैं और कैसे स्टोर करते हैं? सो द आंसर इज प्लांट्स यूज सम ऑफ दिस फूड फॉर इट्स डेली एक्टिविटी. तो प्लांट्स जो है जो प्रिपेयर्ड फूड है उसमें से कुछ फूड जो है वो अपनी डेली एक्टिविटी के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और बाकी का जो एक्स्ट्रा फूड है, राइट, दे स्टोर एज अ स्टार्च इन डिफरेंट पार्ट. तो वो स्टार्च में एज अ स्टार्च वो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स जो होते हैं प्लांट के उसमें स्टोर कर देते हैं. सो द प्लांट्स ऑफ this food for its daily activity and store the extra food as starch in different parts. Now the question number 2. Write two functions of leaf. Write two functions of leaf? Answer is it help a plant to let air in and out. It help a plant to let air in and out. तो लीफ जो है वो एयर को अंदर आने में और बाहर जाने में हेल्प करता है, जैसे हम सबको पता है दैट प्लांट्स टेक इन द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड गिव आउट द ऑक्सीजन, राइट. सो द लीफ ऑफ द प्लांट हेल्प टू लेट इन एयर एंड आउट. Second one, leaf make the food. It is called the food factory of plant. Leaf make their own food. Leaf make the food for the plants. That is why it is called the food factory of plants. Leaf are called the food factory of plant. Question number 3. Describe how plants and animals are depend on each other. How plants and animals are depend on each other. Answer is green plants are the main producers of food. Green plants are the main producers of food. Animals depends on plants for their food. Hence, they are interdependent on each other. Yes, green plants make their own food. It is the main producers of food. That is why for the food, animals depends on the plants. That is how they interdependent, and also for the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Now, draw an photosynthesis process. Draw and label the photosynthesis process and explain in it detail. So students, the process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. Now here what we have to do is, here you have to draw the photosynthesis process. Now what is photosynthesis process? The process by which leaves are used sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food. So this photosynthesis process you have to draw here and label it. Okay, so draw the photosynthesis process here and label its parts. Now, so here students, our chapter number 6, the green plants revision is over here. Now your homework for today is you have to complete all the exercise and all the question answers by yourself only. Okay, I'm sending you the PDF along with this video. But remember, first of all, try to read all the important notes and the chapter and the exercises, then solve it by yourself. Then use the PDF to cross check only. Okay, and also you have to draw the photosynthesis process here. Now, if you have any query or any doubt regarding this topic, so you can drop a message. Okay, chalo. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.